Hi viewers, welcome back. Today again come up with another video, and today's video is going on very informative. Today I especially request you people, don't skip any part of this video, otherwise you don't understand the concept of D plus point or D plus post on the alternator. And this video is specially made for you peoples, your point, your concept be more clear concerning the D plus post on the alternator. My concept has also become more clear about this D plus terminal on the alternator. Today when I was working on this machine, and today I was working on the machine Caterpillar M318D wheel excavator. You people have to write something in the comments box after watching this video, if this video is informative or not. If it's you thinking it's not good, you must write. I got a message from the operator. He said the battery is not charging, warning displaying on the dashboard. You can check this message which he sent me. So I went on the site and I started diagnosis the problem. And very first I found the one fuse was blown, and that fuse was of an alternator. I fixed another fuse and start the machine, the charging start. But after few minutes, again that message appear on the display. That time I check the voltages on the alternator. But alternator was giving 30-31 voltages. But the voltages on the battery side are 23 almost. So I was surprised that the alternators giving 30-31 voltage mean over voltages, but batteries are getting only 23 voltages. But what was problem? I saw again the fuse was again blown. It means that voltage is not reaching to the battery. You can watch the video, okay? So I especially made for you why this was happening.
So views, here you can see three wires. This white one is a D plus wire, this green is a W wire, and this big red one is a battery wires. Okay, so now I am going to start the machine. Here you can see this time is a 23 voltage are coming. Okay, so also I have repaired this fuse. This fuse was blown. Now I put the wires around it, and I am going to fixing this fuse back, and after it I will start the machine and check the voltages on a alternator. So now my machine is started. Okay, so now I'm going to check the voltages on the alternate side and also on the battery side. So here you can see I'm checking the voltages. Alternate showing the 30, 31, 30, 31, but voltages on the battery side you can see 23 voltages. So it's mean the voltage not coming to my this battery side. This mean this fuse maybe has blown again. So I fix it back, maybe this loose one, so I fix it good one. So here you can see this voltages are coming on the battery side. Voltage are 23 voltages, only 23 voltages. So it means fuse has gone. Okay, so when voltages on alternators giving too much voltages, but this my fuse maybe has gone. So you can see I have removed the battery cable, main battery cable I removed it, but still voltages are coming 30, 32. Now the voltage also increased. So I am going to check what is the problem. Now I off the machine and check this fuse, why this fuse again and again blown, why this fuse is blowing. Now I off the machine and I am going to let you know the connection of this fuse. Okay, So here you can see this is my starter. This is a starter point. Wires coming to here from this battery. This big wires from the battery goes to this starter, and this small wire from the starter goes to this fuse, and the other end of this wire it reaches to the this alternator. Okay, so it's mean my fuse is connected between this starter. This fuse is connected between the starter and the alternator.
So I thought maybe the wires which are coming to the alternator are shortage. So what I have did, I removed the all wires, only one wires which are coming from the battery is leave there, and fix again my fuse, and I start it. I start the machine. When I start the machine, the same voltages was appearing, mean 30-31 voltages was there.
So viewers, I have removed all the wires except the battery wires. So after starting, I will also remove this wire. So now machine is started, and here you can see there's 30-31 voltages coming. Okay, so now I have removed the battery wire also, and after removing it, I will check the voltage on the alternator. So it's mean that still voltage are 30-31 voltage are coming. It's mean not problem on the wires, not any wire is shortage, problem is somewhere else.
After more struggling, I found that one of my battery was shortage. My battery was no good. Maybe therefore the fuse was again and again burned. And also I consult my service manual about that fuse. So I found that my fuse which was installed is a lower value than the recommended value. So what I did after it, I replaced the battery which was faulty and fixed 100 ampere fuse there. Before it was 60 ampere. So I fixed 100 fuse there, changed the battery, and after fixing back everything, I again start the machine, and machine was working good. The charging was a good one, so you can watch this video.
So if you can see I have replaced this fuse. This is I put the 100 ampere now. I also replaced the battery. Now I'm going to start the machine and check the charging.
Understand what was the problem. Actually battery was faulty, and batteries draw much higher voltages from the alternator, and that current passing through the fuse and fuse blowing again and again. And when fuse was blowing, the D plus wire or D plus post on the alternator not getting the proper feedback from the batteries, feedback of voltages from the battery, and therefore alternator was not giving the recommended voltages output. So you can understand clearly what is the purpose of D plus. D plus post of the alternator mean it regulate the voltages. When that D plus not getting proper feedback from the batteries, it not regulate the voltages. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. And if you people have any question, you must write down in the comments box. Thank you.